Do a little Bob Marley song here, Three Little Birds. We're gonna play this in the key of C. So we're gonna start on C. Basically, going to be C to the F, C. There's a G chord in there, so we'll be looking for that G chord. And remember, when we're holding our C, we back with this finger to get to our G chord. There we go. So, Three Little Birds, I'll do it once and then I'll break it down. Say don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Say don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile at the rising sun. Three little birds on my doorstep, singing sweet songs, melodies pure and sweet, saying this is my message to you. Okay, so we're starting on that C. Say don't worry about a thing to the F chord, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. So we're back to that C chord. Say don't worry about a thing to the F chord. Every little thing is gonna be alright. So back to that C. Now into the verse. Rise up this morning, smile at the rising. So rising is on that G chord. Rising sun to the F. Three little birds on my doorstep. Back to that C. Singing sweet songs to the G. Melodies pure and sweet. F chord. Here we go. This is my message to you. So end on that C.